Hey, this is Troy Stavros with Doorbell Real Estate, and today I just wanted to do a quick video kind of on the heels of my last video that talked about that crazy deal that went through in the Sugarwood subdivision in Farragut, where it sold for over $150,000 over the list price with 24 offers. I'm going to talk about a different property that just closed today, also in Farragut, and also just talk about the importance of talking to a real estate agent about the market and about market value of your home and what you think homes are worth. I don't know if it's still a little bit of denial from folks in regards to how much homes are going for these days, or I'm not sure what it is, but a lot of people still aren't convinced that homes are going to sell for what we are listing them at. And I just wanted to give this example here. This home here in Farragut on Loop Road, it was a beautiful home. It was a beautiful renovation. We had it listed for $625,000, but these were some of the comments that we got when we put it on social media. One was a nice comment about they went through the open house. The other one, nice reno, but way overpriced. I said, actually, it's not. I gave some information on what the median sales price in the 37934 zip code was. And they said, nope, not in this neighborhood. I live here. And then another comment was too much. And I just basically said, time will tell. We'll see what it ultimately sells for. So this particular home, like I said, we listed it at $625,000 and it just closed for $650,000. So was it priced too high? No. Was it too much for that neighborhood? No. Was it based on market value in regards to how we priced it? Yes. And did it sell for more than what we listed it for? Yes, because there was competition, because there's still competition in the market today. There's still lots of people looking for homes and still very little inventory on the market. Will we see home sales slow down a little bit? Well, not until there's less demand than there is a supply, because right now there's not enough supply for the demand that is in the market. So expect home prices to keep climbing. They may slow down a little bit. The thing that we're going to see slowing the prices down are the interest rates. Interest rates have jumped up quite a bit. They're hovering right around that 5.5% mark and going down about 5.35 and then up to 5.5. So that's considerably higher than they were a year from now. So we'll see that affect the market in a way that buyers will slow down. Some folks might not even be able to buy anymore simply because the increase in interest rate is increasing their payment. So from January to now, on a $450,000 home, that increase in interest rate is adding about $400 to $500 on someone's mortgage payment. And that's quite a bit. So we may see that make the market slow a little bit, but ultimately it comes down to supply and demand. And we are still seeing lots of folks coming into East Tennessee from other parts of the country, and they are anxious to get something under contract so they can start living their lives. So they're paying high dollar prices for the homes in the area. So that's not going to stop anytime soon, but we may see more things come on the market as well. Folks might start getting antsy thinking, oh, well, the gravy train is stopping, so we better put our house on the market to take advantage of it. That may allow us to see more homes come on the market, but it still comes down to supply and demand. Well, I hope this has been educational for you. If you have any questions or comments, reach out to me or comment below and we'll respond. But I hope you are having a great day. This is Troy Stavros with Doorbell Real Estate, and we would love to help you in any way that we can and serve you with any of your real estate needs here in East Tennessee.